Now this fighter is new to me. Tonight draw. We're gonna be drawing someone named.
Kyle, I'm shutting off the TV.
All right.
Okay, do it.
All right.
I'm disconnecting it.
Whatever. I'll be up in a minute.
You gonna shut it off?
I will. After this. Alright, this character's name is Hatchiyack or Hatchack. This character, the first time I saw this guy was on Dragon Ball. Well, actually, it's Super Dragon Ball Heroes. That was the first time I saw him when he was assisting the future of the Tuffle race. And this is just his normal form. I bet this character's from we drew the upper half. There's the upper half of Hatchiyack. Like he's lifting his hands. Now we draw this mark. Now we draw the legs. There's his feet. And there he is, Hatchiyack. Now, if you have any information on Hatchiyack, I would like to find out more about this character. And leave a comment below on who this guy is. I haven't had much to know about him, but this guy is definitely one of my favorites. Even though I find some interesting forms on him. And stay tuned because I got more characters on the way. Please, Stegosaurus, subscribe to this channel. Please like and rock on the comments below. And I'll see you again soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Oh yeah, I already responded to that catchphrase, Stegosaurus, see you later. I gotta say that to everything on every episode that I post on each character that I create.